Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Coordinates.
What does the dictionary say?
Any of the magnitudes that serve to define the position of a point, line, or the like, by reference to a fixed figure, system of lines, etc.
Math Rap.
If you are heading out with a map for a mission, you may need a set of values that show exact position. Coordinates could be north, south, east, and west, or can be polar extremes to eliminate a guess.
Math Rap.
Explain coordinates in your own words. What are the longitude and latitude coordinates of where you are? A wedding planner has to coordinate a lot of events in a short time period. Name another career where it is important to coordinate. How many different things does an airplane company have to coordinate in a given day? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!